Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the Pi Network Price Reveal 2022. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. In exchange for incentives, mining is the process of contributing to a blockchain's consensus mechanism in order to safeguard its ledger. While POW mining necessitates a large amount of energy to labor to solve mathematical puzzles in order for the algorithm to gain consensus, Pi mining necessitates the use of a distributed trust graph. The security circles of each individual mobile miner will combine to form a global trust graph, which will feed the Pi blockchain's consensus mechanism. In order to protect the Pi ledger, each mobile miner contribute to the intersectionality, security, and practicality of the Pi blockchain's consensus method. While POW miners provide energy to those blockchains, Pi mobile miners contribute their trust relationships and active confirmation of those relationships to Pi blockchain. Computer nodes continue to undertake the hard lifting of running the consensus method based on this trust graph obtained from the mobile miners. In fact, the Pi testnet already has over 10,000 of these computer nodes, putting Pi on track to build a highly decentralized mainnet. We live in the crypto age. The value of a Pi coin can also rise dramatically as a result of don't miss Pi coins. Pi Network is likewise attempting to establish its own economy, and Picoin is becoming increasingly popular. The Pi Network price is on the increase, with predictions putting it as high as $65 before the main net launch, despite the fact that the coin now has no genuine worth. The Pi Network is a cryptocurrency that you can mine on your phone, and it's fully safe and free to download and install. Users must click a mine button once every 24 hours to confirm they're human and active, and the program mines cryptocurrency on a daily basis. Users can also refer their friends to mine on the network faster, and the more individuals that join, the more Pi will eventually launch on the network, potentially driving up the Pi Network price. With 2021 as the debut year, the Pi Network is projected to receive its first official value in December 2021, which is likely to range between $1 and $3 per coin. There's a good potential that Pi will be worth much more upon launch, with some users in the in-app marketplace selling coins for over $100. Moving forward to 2022, the Pi Network price will be on the rise along with Bitcoin, which is predicted to surpass $100,000 by that time, and Pi's price might easily fall between $7 and $10. The Pi Network, which is projected to have a price tag of somewhere between $10 and $25 at this stage, with the currency being widely disseminated, is expected to have a wonderful year for cryptocurrencies in 2023. The predicted Pi Network price in 2024 is a best guess figure that could range between $25 and $45 USD. We should be approaching the 100 million user mark by this time, and mining will have practically ceased. If there is one year to watch for cryptocurrency excitement, it is 2025, when Bitcoin is predicted to cross the $1 million milestone. The Pi Network price is predicted to approach new highs in 2025, and with some Pis starting to vanish due to customers losing their gadgets, it may easily reach $50 to $100 range. Only a personal invitation is required to join the Pi Network, and you can do so for free by following the link below. After you join the network and begin mining, you'll be able to invite friends and monitor the status of your security circle, which will become active after 3 days of the continuous mining. Joining the Pi network is absolutely secure and free. All you have to do is download the Pi network mining app to your mobile device. Press the button once every 24 hours and you're done. If you want to mine more quickly, simply use your invite code to invite a large number of your close friends and relatives to the platform and start mining to make a profit in the following year. Pi Network is a virtual currency challenge that aims to keep crypto mining alive because the centralization of the underlying technology of currencies like Bitcoin has made them inaccessible to ordinary people. The Pi Network, which was created by a group of Stanford grads, allows users to mine money via a mobile app by authenticating transactions on a distributed ledger. Phase 1 of the challenge launched in 2019 on Pi Day, March 14th, with its free Pi mining app with branding based solely on the variety. By June 2019, the community had more than 100,000 active users, and by the time Phase 2 was published, there were more than 3 million. In May 2020, the app began walking commercials to provide a source of funding for the challenge. In March 2021, the population surpassed 14 million, having surpassed 12 million in February. Picoin is the cryptocurrency used by the Pi community, and like other cryptos such as Bitcoin, it is designed to be halved on a regular basis to protect its scarcity. When a miner receives half much money for processing new transactions, as when a certain milestone is met, this is known as halving. When it hit 100,000 clients, the mining fee was reduced to 1.6 per hour, then to 0.4 per hour when it reached 1 million, and finally to 0.2 when it reached 10 million. It would continue to halve until it reaches zero at 1 billion customers. Customers can volunteer to try out the Pi Not computer software program on their computer during the modern-day second stage of the challenge. But when will Phase 3 begin? Will it be in 2021 or later? According to the developers, the start of the third section is no longer predetermined, but rather depends on the progress accomplished within the second segment. Unlike nodes in the network like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which use proof-of-work methods, Pi nodes follow a set of rules based entirely on the Stellar Consensus Protocol (SCP). Pi nodes validate transactions on a distributed ledger and come to an agreement on the order in which the ledger records recent transactions. Under the SCP, Pi nodes form 3 to 5% safety circles or groups that are known to all of the network's clients. Because transactions may best be validated at the shared ledger if the dependent on the nodes approve them, security circles create a worldwide considered community that stops fraudulent transactions. The financial charge of the Picoin begins at a relatively modest level in relation to the US dollar at the time of debut, similar to the other virtual coins, and may rise as usage increases. In contrast to US greenbacks in 2021 to 2025, digitalcoinprice.com's Pi community rate estimate 2021 to 2025 indicates that coin costs would average $0.0107 to $0.0127 in 2022. In the long run, PI expense are expected to average $0.0319 by the year 2028. According to crypto platform Changely, if Pi debuts by the end of the 2021, the bull scenario should see the price of Pi hit $1. Cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile assets. The Pi network is no exception. Given that it has yet to start, the project's creators maintain that the network is safe, but detractors say it might be a pyramid scheme. Investors are now unable to exchange Pi currencies. You could participate in mining the coin if you expect the initiative to effectively develop an accessible cryptocurrency that does not price out everyday users. Alternatively, you could wait to buy it on an online exchange. Always remember to conduct your own research. Also, never put money into an investment that you can't afford to lose. The popularity of the pie among cryptocurrency investors will determine the price's trajectory. If the broader cryptocurrency market continues to thrive, the price of the coin could rise after it starts. New ventures also tend to pique investor interest. However, because the coin has not yet been released, it is hard to predict its future. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.